guys, it's very namin.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shinra. And today's cooking vlog guys, I'm going to cook a crispy garlic pork chop marinated with shredded garlic and ginger juice. Okay guys, let's watch until the end. And please click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga videos. And don't forget to subscribe and share my channel.
Okay? Slice lang natin guys na ganito kanipis. Okay, slice the pork. Slice steam. Guys, this is our sliced tin of pork chop or pork belly. This is our cornstarch, or also you can use plain flour. Okay, and we have ginger and garlic. Okay, let's start to marinate our pork now. Guys, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It depends guys sa portion ng inyong pork. Our pork, sliced pork. Okay, this is our ginger juice. Just a little bit. Mix well for additional flavor guys. Very yummy. Smell good, very nice. Okay, then let's rest for about 30 to 40 minutes. Okay guys, let's start to cook now our sliced pork chop. Okay, make sure that your oil is hot. Okay, but before that guys, i-fry muna natin ang ating garlic para mabango yung ating mantika. So our oil is good smell. Okay. Okay guys, i-dip muna natin ang ating sliced pork chop sa cornstarch. Okay. i-rest muna natin siya na 10 minutes bago natin siya i-fry. Okay. Okay, this is done. Okay, na-coat na natin siya sa cornstarch. Then, this is ready to fry na, guys. Okay. Oh my God. Guys, busy cooking ulit. Today is Monday. And Monday is always busy. Okay guys, let's try. Mm. The taste is very yummy. Ayan guys, this look very nice. Okay. Yeah. Guys, ito na siya. Ayan. Very look nice and crispy and very yummy taste. Okay guys, linisin natin ito. Then, ipa-fry natin siya. Let's okay guys, this is our crispy fried slice pork chop. Very yummy and crispy. Okay guys, ito na yung ating crispy pork chop with garlic. Very yummy and crispy. Okay guys, ayan na. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Shenra. And don't forget to click and watch the next video guys.